Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view your recovery phrase in Green Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Green Crypto Wallet application on your device and log into your account. You need to enter your PIN here. After that, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings option here. After that, scroll down until you find the option named Backup Recovery Phrase and click on it. Now click on Show Recovery Phrase button. You need to type the passcode of your phone. Here you can see your recovery phrase. You can also see the recovery phrase in the QR code by clicking on Show QR code button. So that is how you can view your recovery phrase in Green Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.